Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in this video we are going to look at the Interlink new update, the Interlink HCS score and the verified ITLG. Also, we are going to cover their latest update in their S account. And if you're coming across this channel for the first time, you're highly welcome. Do well to like, share, and subscribe. Join our Telegram for high value updates. So here we are going to look at the verified $ITLG. If you're mining this project, you need to be extremely serious with that. This project is one of the projects that does not even require referrals for you to have enough HCS. HCS is Human Crediting Score. This is the only thing that will warrant or give you enough rewards. If you have millions of followers and you are not active in this project, you are getting nothing. For those people that always clean themselves looking for referrals in people's group, and you are mining Interlink does not move with referrals. You have to do the work yourself. You have to be active. You have to be active so that your human crediting score will be high. Your human crediting score will determine the amount of reward you will receive. So you have to make sure you are active. So coming here, you can now see this place they said verified $ITLG. If you tap on it, you can see that verifying in progress. Now your verified $ILT is in progress. That withdrawal is coming soon. So now if you look at it, what they said here is your $ITLG is synchronizing with your human credit score. Now what is the human credit score and how can you get this human credit score? If you click on this check here, you can see that it's going to take you here whereby you have to create a wallet. Once you create your wallet, you have to use my referral link so that you can receive at least 0.1 HCS. That is the essence of using someone's referral code on creating this human credit system. You have to use someone's link to earn that reward. And if you look at it here, my HCS is this 0.2606, which will determine your airdrop. How then will you accumulate HCS? To accumulate HCS, look at what they wrote here. Mining daily, mining in security group, and staying engaged with teams, playing games, etc. This is the only way you can get your HCS. So did you see where they wrote referrals? No. You have to be mining daily. That's the first thing. Then you also have to mine in your security group, another step. And you stay engaged with teams. So this is the only way you can have your human credit score. Without this human credit score and you have millions of $ITL, you are getting nothing. So make sure you start mining. And if you click on this start mining here, it's going to take you to where you will mine your $ITLG. So you have to be active. The referrals are not doing the work for you. You are the one doing the work for yourself. So you have to be active. And not just that, if you go back to this home session, you need to create a wallet. Now you click on this create wallet, you create a new wallet, put your passcode and all that. Once you create your wallet, you start mining. You have to back up your wallet. Very, very simple. So now let's go to their S account and see their latest update. Coming to the their account, this is what they said yesterday. They said the HCS, the first blockchain credit system powered by graph neutral network AI. This HCS marks a new era in blockchain-based crediting scoring. For the first time, a decentralized network applies graph neutral network, that GNN model, to understand real human identity signal, activity patterns, and trust relationship at scale. So this is what they have to explain about the HCS. They say the HCS is a new era. Now, coming down here, take your time to read it. Now, they say to generate a credit score built on genuine human behavior. I'm reading from this. Built on genuine human behavior rather than speculation, bots, or artificial farming. This creates a new standard for blockchain ecosystem, a scoring model where high trust equals high value, and where users are rewarded based on real contribution to the network. Did you see that? This is what they want. They want real human and not bots or artificial farming. So you must be the one doing this work. They said HCS is not just another metric, it is the first step towards building a global human network where identity, reputation, and trust are measured by advanced AI and verified on-chain. So you have heard from them. You need to be active. You need to do the work yourself. Now, KV said that almost 80% of traders on ITLX, the future exchange, are currently in profit. That is a very high percentage, which means our Interlink community has some very skilled traders who are not revealing themselves yet. No, now, he also made this update yesterday. They said that some people hate Interlink, some people love it. Sometimes you hate Interlink, sometimes you love it. But one thing is constant. Interlink is doubling the number of human node every single day compared to last month. We always respect the voice of the community. So look at, so they also reviewed here the Interlink public token treasury companies. This is their token treasury companies. The first one is, they have 6 treasury companies. The first one is United States, and they have ITL, and the second one is also United States. They have ITL, and the third one is still United States, and they have Itlg in their treasury company. So they have Hong Kong. Hong Kong is currently holding ITL. Now they have Singapore. Singapore is ITLG, and they have the UAE. UAE hold ITL, and the amount and the updated. So the amount is not showing why the latest update is not showing. So these are their token treasury company. So you have to understand that these people are not here for jokes. You have to take it extremely serious. So make sure you are active. Create a wallet and people join your security and be claiming your rewards every day. So that is it for this video. If you got value from this video, please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe, and on the bell notification for more updates. Thank you guys.